Good morning, students. Myself, Pooja Kushwaha. Let's start our today's video, that is lecture 5 on the very same chapter, uh, which is lesson 1 food. Where does it come from? Yesterday, we have read about some keywords. Let's continue that. Our next keyword is sprouted seeds. Sprouted seeds. Seeds in which shoots come out in the form of small white structures as a way of growth is called sprouted seeds. Okay, seeds in which shoots come out in the form of small white structures as a way of growth is called sprouted seeds. Our next keyword is herbivores. Herbivores. I think you all are know this keyword very well. As you know that herb means plants or vores means eating, means plants eating animal or only plant eating animals. Only plant eating animals are called herbivores. Example, yes, you all know the example of herbivores, that is cow, goat, etc. Right? And the next one is the carnivore. I'll tell you about the meaning of term vores. That is eating animal or animals which eat. Okay, so here vore means animal which eat and carn means flesh eating animals or animals which eat other animals are called carnivores. So animals which eat only other animals or flesh are called carnivores. Example is tiger, lion, etc. Okay, our next topic is omnivores. Same here. Omni means animals which eat both plants and animals are called omnivores. So here animals which eat both plants and animals, both plants and animals, are known as omnivores. Example, example, example: bear, crow, etc. Okay. Okay, students. These keywords are very important for understanding lesson 1, food, where does it come from. Some extra facts also you have to know about the chapter. You can find this extra fact in the form of question answers. You know that the question answers are the some extra facts that you should know about the chapter. So let's do that. If you are talking about do you find that all living beings need the same kind of food? If someone asked you uh, after reading this chapter, do you find that all living beings need the same kind of food? What will be your answer? Yes. Answer is no. No. So, know the food requirement. Know the food requirement of all living things, of all living things or organisms. All living organisms may vary. Vary means may be different. Okay. So on the basis of food requirement, on the basis of food requirement, living organisms can be grouped into or are grouped into three categories. And what are these three categories? Yes, you all know it. First one is the herbivore. I tell you about this in here. Only plants eating animals are called herbivores. You can write it here also. Next one is the carnivore. And the third one is the omnivore. Okay, third one is the omnivore. You can describe it here also, but I am describing here earlier in the same video, so I am not writing it here again. Okay, I think these facts are very clear to you all. You can take the screenshot of the video also. Here all the things are compiled. Next thing that you can be asked from this chapter is can you tell me some parts of the plant that you are eating, or which part you can eat from the very particular plant. So I am telling you some plants name and their parts that we can eat, like in groundnut. If we are talking about groundnut, it is the seed of the plant. Okay, seed of the plant. Whereas potato is the stem of the plant. Okay, what it is? Stem of the plant. Spinach is the leaves of the plant. Cauliflower, it is the flower of the plant. And the last, tomato. What is tomato? Tomato is a vegetable, but it is the fruit of the tomato plant. Okay, I think this chapter is clear to you all. I will meet you tomorrow with the next video that may be based on the lesson 2. Till now, read it carefully, learn the facts, and do your work properly in a good handwriting. There is no need to write this in the fair copy, but you can practice for your writing, and you can write in your rough copy or whatever you have in this time with you. Okay, students, thank you all.